Hello, hello. I'm going to try to sing some Jason Mraz. You and I both have a little bit of a scratchy throat, but I'm hoping that won't be an issue because I am, in fact, in the car, and we all know how I sing in the car, apparently. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it doesn't suck. Was it you who spoke the words that things would happen but not to me? All things are gonna happen naturally. Oh, taking your advice, and I'm looking on the bright side and balancing the whole thing. Oh, but it oftentimes those words get tangled up in lies, and the bright light turns to night. Oh, until the dawn it brings another day to sing about the magic that was you and me. 'Cause you and I both loved what you and I spoke of, and others just read of. Others only read of the love, oh, the love that I love. Yeah, la da da da. See, I'm all about them words over numbers, unencumbered, numbered words. Hundreds of pages, pages, pages for words, more words than I had ever heard, and I feel so alive. 'Cause you and I both loved what you and I spoke of, and others just read of. And if you could see me now, oh, love, love, you and I, not so little you and I anymore. And with this silence brings a moral story, more importantly evolving. It's the glory of a boy. 'Cause you and I both loved what you and I spoke of, and others just read of. And if you could see me now, well then I'm almost finally out of, finally dee. Well, I'm almost finally, well I am free. Oh, I'm free. And it's okay if you had to go away. Oh, just remember the telephones, where they're working in both ways. But if I never ever hear them ring, if nothing else, I think the bells inside finally found you someone else, and that's okay. 'Cause I remember everything you sang. 'Cause you and I both loved what you and I spoke of, and others just read of. And if you could see me now, well then I'm almost finally out of, finally dee. Well, I'm almost finally out of words. Whew. A little out of breath after that. And I was trying not to laugh because out of the corner of my eye I can see cars passing me and looking at me like, what the crap am I doing? Yeah, whatever. Anyway, hope you like it. Yay. Peace out.